Hey, how you doing? This is Cork. Just sitting here reflecting on life and the way things used to be and just really marveling at the way that technology has just taken over and the way things are being done in this day and age. And I look back on the way things were done back when I was on the radio, WCIN here in Cincinnati. And there are so many things that are missing. The community is not being fed the information, culturally uplifting information that we needed, and the things that WCIN brought. It was a whole spirit of community with WCIN. We do have a radio station here now, a couple of radio stations, but they're just not feeding to the community like WCIN used to do. I asked the question, what can I do? How can I be influential in getting the spirit of WCIN back? Well, evaluating and looking at how the internet radio stations are working nowadays, I find that that's going to be my impetus. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get an internet radio station up and running, and it's going to be able to feed the community like it used to. It's going to be some positive programming. We're going to get back some of the folks who used to do the radio shows. Personality radio is just so important. It always has been, and it always will be. The community has to have somebody that they can identify with. Because oftentimes it's as close to celebrities that a lot of folks are going to be getting. But they can identify with them. They can reach out and touch them. That just means so much. The radio stations in the past have been restricted by wattage. Naturally, so much wattage took you so far. But with the internet, it's not only local, it's worldwide. It not only feeds the local community, but you can feed the worldwide community and also gather information from the world as well. So I've created a GoFundMe page and asking for folks to make donations so that I can get this thing running. We need certain things like equipment, licensing, which is a big thing. That way, folks will get their royalties, and that's really important. That those who have become sort of victimized by the the latest trend in listening to music, they are not getting paid like they used to. But I want to ensure that the artists get paid fairly. So licensing is very important. There's some sophisticated software now that just is just beyond comprehension, but that is so necessary. And of course, there's a cost to that. And maintaining the equipment and the licensing and software and all that needs to be done as well. So I've created a GoFundMe page, www.gofundme.com/bringing back community radio. So I'm asking folks to make a donation. Any amount is good. It doesn't matter. You either big or small, preferably big, of course, but if you can, whatever you can afford. You can donate anonymously, or you can leave your name there, and of course, we'll acknowledge your donation as well. Once again, it is www.gofundme.com/bringing back community radio. Looking for you to help support this effort. I'd be greatly appreciative. And yes, we do have a name for it. As I say, it's a tribute to the iconic radio station WCIN. It will be called Classic Vibes 1480cin.com. Yes, and like I say, we're going to be programming things that the community needs. Again, this is Everett Cork, and I'll be looking for your help, and I greatly appreciate it. Have yourself a great one.